channel Lifestyle with Jess. I hope you guys are doing incredibly well. Today I'm going to show you some tricks to make your eyes look absolutely massive no matter what your eyes is naturally ever like. Every product I'm using in this video not going to show you guys because you can use any product of your choice. Now without boring you further, I am just going to get straight into the video. Trick number 1 is to apply a natural eyeshadow color above your natural crease and into the circuit. I am using medium matte brown color on my eyes. Trick number 2 is to create the illusion of a bigger top eyelid by applying concealer on the top of your natural crease and up to the circuit line. This is almost like a cut crease but similar. You are basically creating a whole new eyelid when you do this. But this is brilliant if you have hooded eyes or droopy eyes or monolid or just small eyelid in general ones. You are got your concealer into place, go ahead and use a white bright shimmery eyeshadow to pack it on top concealer to not only set it but to brighten that area up and make that area come forward. Make it look bigger. This will also prevent the concealer from creasing and transferring. Trick number 3 is to apply an eyeliner and smudge with matte black eyeshadow through the roots of your top lash line and then wing it out just a little bit on the outer corner of your eyes. This will help to extend the look of your eyes and make them look longer, but it's also going to make your eyelashes appear so much fuller and thicker. Trick number 4 is to bring the eyeshadow down further under the lower lash line and in towards inner corner of your eyes. You want to deepen this natural lower eyelid as it's the balance of the top and the bottom eyelids that make your eyes look bigger. Trick number 5 is to apply a deepened brown or black matte eyeshadow or kajal pencil directly under the lower lash line on the outer corner of the eyes. This will help to define your eyes and also make inner corner look bigger, which will give you that big eye look. Trick number 6 is to place a tiny bit of your white shimmery highlighter shade directly under the lower lash but only on the outer corner of your eye. Not a lot, just little enough to lift the look of your outer corner and to make your eye appear bigger and more shaped. Trick number 7 is the inner corner highlight. Apply a bright shimmery shade into the inner corner of your eyes. This will help to open them up and make them look much bigger and more awake. This is so simple, but honestly, these tricks work so well. Trick number 8, and this is one of my favorite tricks to make your eye look bigger. Apply a nude or white eye kajal on your lower waterline. By doing this, we makes the waterline look like it's part of your actual eyeball, not the part of your eyelid. And when you have large eyeballs, your entire eye look bigger. Trick number 9 is huge lashes on the top and the bottom. I am applying mascara to the top and the bottom lashes and layer them again. So there we go guys, that was 9 tricks to make your eye look absolutely massive. Okay guys, I really hope you will find it helpful. This is my final look. This eye looking so bigger, so white, so good, and this eye looking so small, so puffiness on this eye. And that is all. So I really hope you will find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारे आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहे. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.